Okay, students. So we are moving towards the Max 2. Okay, Standard 9 and lecture number 1 of chapter number 2, parallel lines. As you can see my wallpaper also. Okay. So first of all, parallel lines, as the name suggests, parallel lines. So what is the definition of parallel lines? The lines which are coplanar. Coplanar means what? They are in a single plane. They are in the one plane and they do not intersect with each other. आपको पता होगा नहीं, right? As you are aware that lines which are not intersecting, then those lines are called parallel lines. Yes. The lines which do not intersect, the lines are known as parallel lines. जैसे कि आपने देखे होंगे. Let me give you some example of parallel lines. कुछ parallel lines example दो आप. If you are aware, railway track is also an example. And yes, exactly, railway track and rods of window. Okay. Chair hands. Okay. Lines of pages. Very good. Teeth of comb. Very good. Compass box ka sides. Very good. Book. Exactly. So as you are aware, what do you mean by parallel lines? It is clear, guys, right? Okay. So we are moving towards the next part. As you can see the figure, these are the parallel lines. So I can write in this figure as line L is parallel to line M. Yes or no? Because line L and line M are not intersecting, right? So I can write down line L is parallel to what? Line M. Okay. So we are moving towards the next part. Now we are studying those concepts which we have studied in the previous standard, that is 8th. Okay. Now I will show you what do you mean by these three angles. Okay. You can see here. First one is what? Corresponding angles. Second one is what? Alternate angles. Third one is what? Interior angles. Okay. So I will show you again how to remember this kind of things. Okay. Just remember the alphabet and you will get the final answer. Corresponding angles means I always say F. Corresponding angles means what? F. F will be in any part. F ऐसा भी आ सकता है, F ऐसा भी आ सकता है, F ऐसा भी आ सकता है, या F ऐसा भी आ सकता है. So whenever this figure are visible to you, then it's final that the angles are corresponding. These are corresponding. See here. ये angles corresponding होते हैं. These angles are corresponding. These angles are corresponding. And these angles are corresponding. I hope corresponding angles are clear to you guys. Yes or no? Then let me know in the chat box fast. Corresponding means F, capital F. Okay. So the angles coming in between the F, then that is known as corresponding angles. Okay. So how we can write this? See here. In this figure, tell me what will be the pair of corresponding angle. Not congruent, that's just pair. Just pair. So as you can see, this A and E are congruent, right? So I will write angle. So I will write 1 minute. I will write here angle A and angle E. These are the pair, right? Angle A and angle E. Then you can see here D and H also are there. F forming, right? So I can write angle D and angle H. And guys, और कुछ है? Yes, here we have B and F, right? B and F also we have. So angle B, okay? Angle B and angle F, right guys? And last one is nothing but angle C and angle G. Okay, I hope guys ये आपको अच्छे से आता है. We have studied in the 8th standard also, but still I am revising it so that it is easy for you. Okay, so I hope corresponding angles is very much clear to you. What about alternate angle? Alternate angle में what we are using the alphabet? What we are using the alphabet of alternate angle to remember? जैसे कि हमने corresponding के लिए F use किए, alternate के लिए क्या करते हैं? As you are aware, okay, I will show you. We will use Z. What we will use? We will use what? Z. 1 minute. We will use Z. Z अगर रहेगा, so that are what? Alternate. See here, this Z means ऐसा और ऐसा, right? So these are the alternate angles, cross angles. Okay, students, I hope it is very much clear to you. Okay, again I am repeating. Alternate angles means it is forming Z. And what are the angles in the Z? This angle, one angle and two angle. They are the pairs of alternate angles. They are the pairs of alternate angles. Okay. So I will show you here. As you can see here, Z, right? So what are the angle? This is C and this is E. As you can see, C and E. Okay. I will change the color for you. See, C and here we have C and E. I will write angle C and angle E. Okay, students, getting my point? And what are the next angles? What are the next angles? Yes. Fast. I want answer from your side. What is the next angle? Yes. B and H. Very good. Angle B and angle H. So these are the what? Alternate angles. I hope, guys, it is very much clear to you. Now we are moving towards the interior angles. Okay. Interior angles. To remember interior angles, we have to remember which alphabet, guys? Which alphabet? Yes, C. These are the alphabet C. C से हमको पता चलता है interior angles क्या होता है. Let me show you. This is C. So these are the interior angles. These are the pair of interior angles. These are the pair of interior angles. Okay. So what are the interior angles? C and H. Yes. Angle C and H. And what? B and E. Angle B and angle E. I hope, guys, these three angles are very much clear to you. Let me know in the chat box fast. So that we can move towards the theorem now. Is it okay? Done? Okay. So now we are moving towards the next concept. I will show you what does this theorem states. ये theorem बोलना क्या चाहता है वो समझते हैं हम लोग. Okay. See here now. Interior angles theorem. If the two parallel lines are intersected, the interior angles formed are supplementary. Remember this, guys. Remember this. Okay. One student is telling, can you please explain me corresponding angles? Guys, see here. Corresponding means if two lines are parallel and one transversal is there, so it is forming F, right? ये F बन रहा है, ये भी F बन रहा है. Okay. ये भी F बन रहा है. जो F बनता है ना, guys, वो corresponding angles. जो F बनता है ना, जानवी, understood? जानवी? If we are able to see the F figure ना, then we will call it as corresponding angles. उसके pair corresponding angles होते हैं, F के pair. Okay? Okay, students. So we are moving towards the interior angles. So interior angles में angles कैसे होते हैं? They are not congruent. They are what? Supplementary. They are what, guys? Supplementary. ये फर्क को आपको समझना पड़ेगा. This is very much important, guys. Huh? This is very much important. See the figure now. Okay, you can see the figure. So what will be the angle? What is the supplementary angle? What is the interior angle? Yes, D and C and A and B. They are the interior angles. But what is it given? They are what? Supplementary. Supplementary means what? हमने 7th में पढ़े थे ये चीजें. Supplementary means 180 degree. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. So I will say that whenever the interior pairs of angles are there, then the additions are 180 degrees. So I will write here, see. Okay. So A and B are what? Interior angles. So A and B, if we will add, we will get 180 degree. Similarly, D and C are what? Interior angles. So if we will add D and C, you will get 180 degree. Understood here, students? If we will add the interior angles, then we will get the addition of 180 degree. That means supplementary angle. खाली ये इंटीरियर में ही होता है, guys. सिर्फ ये इंटीरियर एंगल्स में ही होता है. It is not in the rest part. Janvi, if my voice is breaking, you can leave and again join. I think this is very much clear. I'm very much clear to all students. Yeah, they are forming 180 degree. They are forming 180 degree. Again, I am explaining. Let's see. In interior angles, what happened? If we will add these two angles now, then we will get what? 180 degrees. See here. D and C are interior angles, right? So I will add angle D plus angle C. I will get 180 degree. This is the property of interior angles. This is the property of interior angles. I hope, guys, this is very much clear to you. Yes or no? And next one is what? Next one is A and B. So I will add A and B now. So I will also get 180 degree, as you can see here. These are what? These are the interior angles. I think this is very much clear, guys. Kacha kacha, pakka pakka. Understood? Kacha kacha or pakka pakka. Okay. Aditya, you're telling no. Then raise your hand if you have any doubts. Okay. Okay, Aditya, I'm unmuted you. Tell me.
Sir, please explain again the corresponding angle and interior angle.
Okay. See here. First of all, corresponding means the angles forming in F shape. Again, I'm repeating. Corresponding means angle forming in F shape. Okay. So interior angles is very much clear, guys. यानी कि इंटीरियर एंगल्स मतलब वो होता है जहां पर आपके इंटीरियर एंगल्स सप्लीमेंट्री हो गए. ये हर थ्योरम में नहीं है. ओनली इट इज वैलिड फॉर इंटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. Okay, now we will see, as you can see here, angle A and angle B are interior angles. If we will add them, okay, we will get what? 180 degree. Similarly, D and C are what? Interior angles. If we will add them, we will get 180 degree. Now we are moving towards the next part, that is corresponding angles. As we have discussed in the earlier part only, corresponding angles means which shape, कौन सा shape carry करता है वो, कौन सा shape cover करता है वो. Yes, yes students, you are right. Yes, I'm getting the answer. F shape. Okay, as you can see here, what you are getting in the corresponding angles, देखो ये F बन रहा है. Yes, so this is B and this is A. As I told you, in corresponding angles, angles are congruent. In corresponding angles, angles are what? Congruent. Getting my point, students? Yes or no? Kacha kacha, pakka pakka. Fast. समझ में आया इतना? Okay, got it. So we can say that the next solution is angle A is equals to angle B. Angle A is equals to what? Angle B. So I hope corresponding angles is very much clear to you. We are moving towards the last part, none other than alternate angles. We are moving towards the alternate angles. Okay. So alternate angles. What is the alphabet for alternate angles? Yes, 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 fast. What is the? Yes, what is the method to find the alternate angles? Yes, we will see the figure is showing Z or not. If the figure is showing Z, then we will approach towards alternate angles. As you can see the figure. Okay, तो क्या Z मिल रहा है हमको? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yes, we are getting the Z. So Z के अंदर में क्या एंगल आ रहा है? What are the alternate angles forming? D and B. Okay, so what does this theorem states? Whenever the alternate angles are forming, then what? Equal measures. We will get what? We will get equal measures. Okay, so what are the equal measures? See here, D and B are the alternate angle. So I can write down angle D is equals to angle B. Yes or no, students? It is clear. Any doubt, any shanka? Then let me know fast in the chat box, because I am approaching the sums now. Fast, fast, fast. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we are moving towards the next part. Now we'll move towards the sum now. Okay. Okay. We are moving to the practice set 2.1. As you can see the figure, guys. Okay. As you can see the figure, guys. Figure is very much visible to you. And now are the questions. Firstly, what I will do, जैसे हम लोग हमेशा करते हैं, I will show you the sums. Okay. After that, I will show you the solution. जो printed solution रहेगा वो बाद में दिखाऊंगा मैं. पहले हम यहाँ पर sum करेंगे. Okay. So as you can see, first question is RHD. RHD आता कहाँ पर है? RHD आता कहाँ पर है? Yes, this is RHD. Okay. This angle we have to find out. This angle we have to find out RHD. As you can see, guys, ये जो एंगल दिख रहा है ना आपको, as you can see, these are forming a linear pair. ऐसा दिख रहा है आपको एंगल? देखो, this is what R, this is what H, and this is what D, and this is what P. और ये आपका 85 डिग्री है. Okay, ये आपको निकालना है. So this entire angle is forming a linear pair. Linear pair इसको बोलते हैं. Okay, the entire angle is what? Linear pair. What is the value of linear pair, guys? हमने बचपन में पढ़े थे. What is the value of linear pair? Yes, you are right. 180 degree. This entire is what? 180 degree. So what I will do, I will add these two parts. See, angle RHD okay, plus angle DHP. This is what 180 degree. What is the angle? What is the reason? Linear pair. Yes or no, students? Till here it is clear. Okay, so RHD and DHP, this entire angle is 180 degree. Do we know RHD? नहीं sir, वो तो हमको निकालना है. Okay, right, as it is RHD. Okay, so what about DHP? DHP, it is given. Yes, it is given 85 degree. And here we have 180 degree. Very good. Angle RHD equals to 180 degree. Shift 85 towards right hand side. You will get minus 85 degree. So 180 degree minus 85 degree. Oh, very difficult sum. बहुत difficult है क्या? Answers आ रहे हैं मुझे. Okay, yes students, you are right. It is what? 95 degree. So your RHD is what? RHD आएगा. RHD is what? 95 degree. Clear guys? Any doubt, any शंका? RHD सबको समझ में आ गया? सगळ्यांना कळलं का? Okay? Okay. So first part is clear. Now we are moving towards the next part. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next part. हमको ये मिल गया RHD कितना मिला हमको? 95 degree. Okay, 95 degree मिल गया हमको. Now next one is what? PHG. अरे. Where is PHG? Okay. Yes, PHG I have drawn. Okay. PHG we have drawn. So what I will do, as you can see, this 95 degree and this PHG आमने सामने है. Okay, they are in the opposite part. Yes or no? They are in the opposite part, right? Yes or no, students? Okay, so these are known as vertical opposite angles. See here, whenever these angle and these angles are opposite, तो ये दोनों angle अगर ये अगर x है, this will also become x. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. So already we have found this 95 degree. So what will be PHG? PHG क्या होगा आपका? What will be PHG, guys? It will also 95 degree. So directly I will write down, see here, angle RHD, okay, is equals to angle PHG. Sir, what is the reason? We have to mention the reason or not? Yes, you have to mention it. आपको mention करना पड़ेगा, otherwise you will lose marks. Okay, so RHD is equals to PHG. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. I have written shortcut, guys, because मेरे पास screen नहीं है properly, but you have to write full. Vertically opposite angles. So, but what is RHD? RHD is 95 degree. नहीं 95 मिला था ना हमको. So what will be PHG? Yes, you are right. PHG is also 95 degree. So we have reached towards the second part. Bingo. Okay, so PHG is same. Okay, some students are telling, yes, Nirmati, what I have did is, see, RHD and PHG is vertically opposite. जब ऐसा कोई सामने सामने होता है ना, तो उसको हम लोग vertically opposite बोलते हैं. Okay, so अगर ये 95 रहेगा, so this will also 95 degree. The opposite angles will be remain same. Okay, yes, I am getting the thumbs up. No alternate angles, no. It is vertically opposite. मैं alternate angle में आया ही नहीं अभी तक. Students, ask that questions जो some related है, तो मजा आएगा पढ़ने आपको भी. Okay. Okay, so we have done with the second part also. Now we want HGS. HGS कहाँ पर है देखो? HGS. HGS is here. Yes, we have here HGS. Okay, we have here HGS. So what do you mean by HGS now? As you can see here, students, see here HGS. Whether this is forming the corresponding, ये F बन रहा है ऐसा देखो, ये ऐसा बन रहा है, ये आपका है G, ये आपका है S, H and what D, and this is 85 degree. Yes or no? So ये angle और ये angle same आ रहा है, guys. They are forming what? They are forming what? Which angle? Fast in the chat box. Yes, it is forming corresponding angles because it is forming F shape. So this is 85. So already this will also become 85. So what do you mean by HGS? HGS is also 85 degree. I hope यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया है, because it is forming what? No, not interior, guys. It is forming corresponding. F बन रहा है F. Okay. So what I will write? These two angles are same, na? So I will write for third part. I will write angle DHP. Angle DHP is equals to angle HGS. Reason will be what? Corresponding angles. Reason will be what? Corresponding angle. Okay. Okay, Siddhant, I'm explaining PHG for you. Okay, I'm explaining PHG for you. Just focus, Siddhant. Okay. So see here, as you can see the figure, this is the figure. This is D, H, and R, and this is P. Just let me know G. Okay, I'm unmuting you, Siddhant. Yes. Okay, I'm getting the answer. Yes, it is again a vertical opposite because see here, MGK, and this HGS, they are what? Same, na? They are vertically opposite. So I will write MGK is equals to HGS. What will be the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Yes or no, students? What will be the reason? Vertically opposite angles. So HGS is what? 85 degrees. So what will be about MGK? MGK भी क्या होएगा आपका? MGK will also, okay. Student, I want each and every student to be with me in the entire lecture. Huh? If somebody is leaving, I will mark you as absent. Okay. I think आपको बोर नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. Concepts clear हो रहे हैं हमारे. I know I'm getting slow because बहुत लोग के chat में doubts आ रहे हैं. That's why. So MGK equals to how much? Again we have 85 degree. So I hope guys this much is clear to you. ये fourth वाला part is clear. Yes or no? Fast. कळलं का सगळ्यांना? Okay. So I think it is clear. Okay. So I will give you the solution for this part. Just take the screenshot fast. I'm giving you the solution. Take the screenshot, guys, fast. Fast, take the screenshot fast. Fast, take the screenshot. Done? Okay. Next part, guys. Take the screenshot. Right now. As you can see, guys, figure is with you only. See, this is what 110 degree and we want angle A. So how we can find out? I can say that this entire angle is 180 degree, yes or no? This entire angle is what? 180 degree, yes or no? Let me know in the chat box. Linear pair, ये पूरा 180 हो रहा है आपका. Yes. So I can write down angle A plus 180 degree, 110 degree is how much? 180 degree. Getting my point? Yes. So this is what reason will be linear pair. Again, we have the reason as linear pair. Okay. So angle A plus 110 degree equals to what? 180 degree. So angle A is how much? 180 degree minus 110 degree. Yes. So angle A is how much? 70 degree. So I hope guys, आपको angle A समझ में आ गया है. Angle A is clear, guys. Can I move ahead? आगे बढ़े हम लोग. Yes or no, guys? Fast. Okay. So angle A is clear. Now we are moving towards the question second. Again, I am repeating. See here, guys. This you can see the figure. Just see the figure first, guys. So angle A and angle 110. So angle A and angle 110. 110 is how much? This is 180. Why it is using 180, guys? Because it is forming a linear pair. हम linear pair बना रहे हैं ना. ये linear pair दिख रहा नहीं है आपको. एक लाइन में आ रहा है ना ये दोनों एंगल. So उसको linear pair बोलते हैं. तो angle A is what? 180 minus 110. So this is what? 70 degree. So angle A कितना हो गया आपका? 70 degree. Okay. We are moving towards the next part. अभी ये तो 70 degree हो गया. Now what about this D? D कितना होगा guys? ये भी linear pair है guys. Yes or no? D is also linear pair. Yes or no, students? Fast. D is also linear pair. Now straight line में आ रहा है देखो ये भी. So I can write 115 plus D is also what? 180. What? Linear pair. Okay. So what will be D? Angle D कितना होगा? Angle D will be 180 and shift this minus plus इधर गया तो minus 115 हो गया. So what will be minus 115? This will be a 65 degree. So angle D भी आपको मिला 65 degree. Any doubt, any शंका guys? Angle D कराले सबको समझ में आ गया? कोई डाउट को शंका? Let me know fast. Done? Okay. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ. See here. A भी निकाल दिया हमने और D भी निकाल दिया. मुझे एक बात बताओ. I can say, okay, how I can find this C. ये C कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? ये C कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? फर्स्ट ये C कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? yes obviously see here, ये C और ये 15115 ये F बन रहा है। ऐसा देखो ये F बन रहा है, इधर C है और इधर 115 है, तो F बन रहा है। मतलब क्या है वो? What is that guys? Corresponding angles. Yes guys, you are right. So I can write down angle C is equals to 115 degree. Reason will be what? Corresponding. Reason will be what? Corresponding. Till here it is clear? Till here it is clear? Any doubt, any shanka? Yes, first complete me this question ना guys. पहला क्वेश्चन आपको बाद में बताऊंगा मैं कर रहा हूं सेकंड क्वेश्चन एंड यू आस्किंग अबाउट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so first question I will show you the solution, don't worry. So angle C clear है. Now remaining part is what? This B. ये B निकालना है हमको. I will ask you the question, what is the trick to find this B? कैसे निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग? कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Yes, it is compulsory to write the reason. कैसे निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग? Yes students, कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Just tell me fast. सी गाइस, यहां पर ध्यान से देखो. अभी एज आई कैन सी हियर, देखो ये क्या है? 115 है राइट? ये वाला पार्ट क्या? 115. ओके, तो ये वाला पार्ट क्या रहेगा? मुझे बता सकता है कोई? देखो ये करस्पॉन्डिंग है, सॉरी इंटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है. ये 115 है, तो ये क्या रहेगा? ये वाला एंगल ऑब्वियसली 65 रहेगा. इंटीरियर एंगल्स बन रहा है ना. अगर ये 115 है, सो वी नो दैट, देखो ऐसा वाला एंगल बना रहा हूं मैं, ऐसा ही है. देखो ये 115 है, तो ये क्या रहेगा? और इधर B है, ये क्या रहेगा? ऑब्वियसली समझो कि ये x है. ये क्या है? x है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, x प्लस 115, ये कितना होगा? 180 होगा, बिकॉज इट इज वॉज इंटीरियर एंगल. यस और नो? ये बनेगा आपका इंटीरियर एंगल, राइट? सो x क्या बन जाएगा आपका? 180 माइनस 115, राइट? सो x विल बी व्हाट? 65. तो ये आपको क्या मिलेगा? ये आपको मिलेगा 65. अब सिंपल चीज है, ये अगर 65 है तो B क्या रहेगा? B क्या रहेगा? ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी व्हाट? 65. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. यस और नो? आप हो के नहीं पिक्चर में गाइस? पिक्चर में रहने का कभी भी, पूरे पिक्चर में रहोगे तो आपको पूरा पिक्चर समझ में आएगा. आधे लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं फिर अंदर आ रहे, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, राइट? अगर हमको ये मिलता है 65, so what will be this? This will be obviously 65. So what will be your angle B guys? Angle B is also 65. Reason will be vertically opposite angles. Any doubt till here? No, not is alternate angle नहीं, ये vertically opposite है. Okay, any doubt till here students? It is clear? Okay, okay. Now the thing comes. अभी मेन थिंग आता है. देखो यहां पर दो आंसर निकलने वाले हैं इसी सम में. एंगल बी का अगर आप देखेंगे, एंगल बी हमको 65 भी आ रहा है और एंगल बी हमको 70 भी आएगा. कैसे बताओ? देखो सी हियर, दिस इज व्हाट? 110. ये 110 है आपका. ओके, तो ये भी 110 हो जाएगा आपका. सी हियर, बिकॉज z बन रहा है. देखो ये 110 है. ओके, एंड दिस इज योर B. ये आपका B है, तो ये भी 110 हो जाएगा आपका. यस और नो? गाइस सब जन ध्यान दो अच्छे से. अभी ये 110 है, तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 110 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड व्हाट विल बी दिस एंटायर एंगल? ये एंटायर एंगल क्या होगा आपका? दिस विल बी 180. सो आई कैन से 110 प्लस B इक्वल्स टू 180, राइट? तो B इक्वल्स टू 180 माइनस 110. यस और नो? दिस विल व्हाट? ओहो 70. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यहाँ पर जादू दिख रहा है आपको. हमको एक तरीके से 65 आ रहा है, एक तरीके से 70 आ रहा है. एंड इन टेक्स्ट बुक इट इज गिवन 70. ओके, बट आई एम गिविंग यू चॉइस. 65 इज आल्सो राइट आंसर, 70 इज आल्सो राइट आंसर. आपको कोई भी एक ही स्टेप लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट ओनली वन थिंग. आई शोड यू बोथ द वेज. टेक्स्ट बुक में सिर्फ एक ही वे बताया था, मैंने आपको दोनों वेज बता दिया. Okay, so if you want to do that 70 degree wala part, it is 70 degree also. It is clear guys? इतना समझ में आ गया? ओके, इन टेक्स्ट बुक इट इज गिवन व्हाट, इन टेक्स्ट बुक इट इज गिवन 70 डिग्री ना, तो 270 वाला पार्ट, वरना बच्चे लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे ना. 270 वाला पार्ट, इज इट ओके फॉर यू? 70 वाला पार्ट कर लो. ठीक है. Yes, Aditya, I have unmuted you in the previous part only now. Just ask me the doubt.